The brave little bird. Once upon a time, on a farm, there was a little bird. His feathers were messy, and he felt sad because he looked different from the other birds. Every day, the little bird watched the other birds playing and having fun. He wished he could join them, but he felt too shy and unsure of himself. One sunny day, the farmer's daughter came to the farm. She saw the little bird sitting alone and looking sad. The girl smiled kindly and said, "You may look different, but you are special in your own way." The little bird felt a glimmer of hope. He decided to try joining the other birds in their games. At first, the other birds laughed and teased him, but the little bird didn't give up. He kept trying, and soon he found his confidence. With each day that passed, the little bird grew stronger and happier. He realized that it didn't matter what he looked like on the outside. What mattered most was the courage and kindness he had inside. And so, the once sad little bird became known as a brave little bird, inspiring others to believe in themselves just as he had.